All right, let's talk for a moment about research. So research, you've probably heard, friends talking about this. You've probably heard different pre-meds talking about this. It's something that you definitely should have on your radar, something that could help your resume, but at the same time, it could be done completely in vain if you don't do it right. So let's figure out the right way to do this. So number one, if you're going to do research, make sure it's something that you're passionate about. I mean, is there something that you enjoy reading about for your classes? Is there a certain article that really stuck out to you? Because I think a lot of people tend to think they have to do some sort of scientific research or some sort of bench research, and if that's just not your thing, that's fine, because especially as an undergraduate, they just want to see that you have academic interests and that you're willing to dive into a topic and commit yourself to adding to mankind's knowledge on that topic. So now that you've really found something that you're interested in, you want to start researching early. This is something I cannot stress enough. You'll probably find out that your first project you ever do is going to be complete crap, and it's something that is almost unavoidable because there's a big learning curve there. There's so much to learn about research methods, how to formulate a good experiment, and really how to analyze results in a way that's meaningful. So you want to start as early as possible, during your freshman or sophomore year as an undergraduate if you decided something that you want to do, and you want to reach out to those professors and hopefully have a good 3 to 4 year commitment there so that you can really get to know a topic really well, become an expert in it, and help to contribute to mankind's knowledge on that topic. So thirdly, you're going to want to contribute on the knowledge that's already out there. So when med schools are going to be talking with you during interview day, they're going to be asking you, what are the different things you learned, what were your methods like? You may get questions like that, but the main thing that they're going to want to see is that you either presented at a conference or you have it published. What those two things show is that not only was it something you're committed to, that you're interested in, but also that you know it so well that you have sort of this social proof that yes, this person knows how to research, they know how to research well, and they have really produced something that has boosted mankind's knowledge on the topic. So again, those are some of the main things to consider, is that you want to start out as early as possible, find something that truly interests you, and then make sure that you're contributing to mankind's knowledge on the topic. Doing those different things, you'll find that research can be really valuable to you. Again, don't force anything. Don't choose something that you're going to hate, because you're going to have to do this for hours and hours every week, and if you hate it, it's just not worth it. And they're going to be able to see that in your interview day, that you're not going to be passionate about it when you're talking about it. So don't be afraid to do something that's outside the sciences, but nevertheless, start early and start diving in. Get passionate about something, and that passion will radiate on interview day. Hey, I hope you found this video helpful. So if you're pre-med and you're looking for the right resources out there to help you, you don't know who to turn to for advice, it seems like the medical students are way too busy, they don't know anything about MCAT 2015, they don't know anything about the behavioral sciences that now medical schools are looking for, and if you're looking for some really good advice from somebody that just went through this process, I made a course for you. You can find it at www.goodlifeguildmd.com. Again, that's www.goodlifeguildmd.com. We'll see you there.